Welcome to our comparison video where we dive into the features and user experiences of two popular treadmills, the SupeRun under-desk treadmill and the UMAY Fitness Home Folding Treadmill. Based on online reviews and feature comparisons, we'll help you decide which treadmill might be the best fit for your home workout routine. In the motor and noise category, the SupeRun treadmill is praised for its quiet 2.5 HP motor, making it ideal for those who prefer a silent workout environment. Users appreciate its ability to blend into the background noise. On the other hand, the UMAY treadmill boasts a brushless motor that not only promises speeds up to 8.7 miles per hour, but also maintains a low noise level, with reviewers highlighting its whisper-quiet operation during workouts. When it comes to design and storage, the SupeRun treadmill's compact and slim profile allows for easy storage under furniture, making it a favorite among users with limited space. Reviews mention its convenience and easy storage. The UMAY treadmill, featuring a hydraulic folding system and built-in wheels, is celebrated for its easy maneuverability and storage, with users appreciating the hassle-free foldability. In the features and extras category, the SupeRun treadmill offers a straightforward experience with an LED display and compatibility with the PitPat app, appealing to users who enjoy tracking and sharing their fitness progress. The UMAY treadmill, equipped with advanced features like heart rate sensors, manual incline settings, and self-lubrication, is recognized for its comprehensive workout customization options, making it a hit among tech-savvy users. Regarding warranty and support, the SupeRun treadmill provides a 1-year warranty and 24/7 customer service, which is appreciated by users for its responsiveness. The UMAY treadmill steps up with a 5-year frame warranty and California-based support team, earning praise for its extended warranty period and reliable customer service, making it a preferred choice for those valuing long-term reliability. Overall, the SupeRun under-desk treadmill is celebrated for its silent operation, compact design, and user-friendly features, making it a great choice for beginners or those with limited space. The UMAY Fitness Home Folding Treadmill, on the other hand, wins points for its quiet performance, easy storage, advanced features, and solid warranty, appealing to a more tech-savvy audience or those seeking a long-term investment in their fitness journey. Thank you for watching our comparison of the SupeRun under-desk treadmill and the UMAY Fitness Home Folding Treadmill. We hope this has helped you in making an informed decision about which treadmill suits your needs best. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below, sharing your thoughts or preferences. Which product do you prefer and why? Or share your own fitness journey experiences. Links to both products are in the description below. See you in the next video.